everyone, welcome back to another How to Draw. Today we will be doing 10 Apples Up on Top by Dr. Seuss due to his birthday. Alright, you ready? Let's begin. As a note to all of you before I forget, this will be in 3 different parts. So the first part we will be doing today will be the tiger, then next week the lion, and then the third, the dog. Okay. To start, we can do the tiger. Now the tiger seems to have an oval face, so let's start off with that. So we're just going to draw a nice oval over on the right hand side, just like where he is. And to boot, his body looks pretty flowing, so I think what we're going to do is we're just going to draw a curve, and we'll draw another one over here. You can just stop in this area just because I want to add a couple little things like bushes up on the side here. If you'd like to just finish up the line, that's okay too, but so far that's the plan. Okay, so next what we'll do is we can draw the hand. So the hand's giving a little curve, kind of throwing an apple up top. So we can make a nice long arm going this way, and we'll just stop it with a little boop, little curve. We'll make another one here, and then we'll make another one, but doing it backwards from the first step. Better give him a bit more arm there. Squish, squish, squish. It's okay. It's not a mistake. It's a happy accident. And, okay, good. So, next what we can do is, let's do the apples, just for fun. Now, I'm probably not going to do them the exact same order as he's doing, but I'm just going to make them kind of climbing on top. So there we go. We'll make another one going here, and then another one just kind of right here. So they're just a bunch of ovals, circles. I find that apples kind of have different shapes, but they're mostly circular. If you want to have fun with them, you could probably even do pears if you want. If you'd like to change it up, send us a photo and I'd love to see it. We'll add little lines for the stems. Okay, so we got our tiger's head and the apples. And we'll do the lines just to show that motion that he's kind of giving. So, whoop. So it's just a line going all the way up, showing that he threw an apple. And we might as well add another line, just like over here. Okay? Next will be the ears. So just to show it in a more specific way, we'll draw 2 circles, but half of it ends up inside of the oval. Okay? Because you know what we're going to do next after that? We're going to erase all that and even what's inside. Okay? So just remember, circle, which is half inside the oval of the head, and then we erase all that's unnecessary, including the inside here. Okay? So, what we could do next will be, I'm going to just actually give him a little extra arm just because it's showing on the end, but we don't really have an arm after. And there we go. I'll still give him that little curvy thing there. Okay, so like I was mentioning, we might as well do that bush. So from the looks of it, it looks almost like the teardrops we'd make, but like all in threes. So kind of like this. So I'll just show again. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then you erase everything that's inside. Okay? Now, if you don't want to do the whole step thing, you can really just do up, down, up, down, up, down. That's probably what I'm going to do for the rest of these. And have fun with it. Make tiny ones, make really big ones, whatever you'd prefer. Squish, squish. They can even look completely different. Oh. Okay. So our next step will be the face. Now it looks as though we have 2 dots and an oval. So let's start off with that. Okay, so we got a dot, and then an oval. Now for my dots, I'm going to make them, of course, a bit bigger. So all I do is I just make a little bit of a larger oval. If you would like to do that, most definitely, and if not, that's okay too. Now, for the shape of the smile, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a big smile like he does, and we'll put a line in the middle, but for me, I'm gonna add a little bump and then clean up my line a little. Okay. Squish and squish. And then next, I will make a mouth that just basically goes up like this. And for the whiskers, you just do flip, 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 and flip. Okay. So, last but not least, we're going to do the stripes. Now, the stripes seem to have 2 above the head up here, so we're going to do just that. Little triangle-like types of things for the head. And then we have one on the side here, and then one right over here. Now, if you don't end up doing these perfectly, that's okay. We can just have fun with it. If you want him to have a full-on stripe, like a t-shirt stripe, that's fine. You do you. But I'm going to give him his tummy. Okay, down here like this. Then up there like that. Then up there like that. And then he's got a couple others here. Okay. Okay. Now okay guys, so today we're not going to be doing the Sharpie, except for the outline today, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to color these all together. If you'd still like to color yours first before doing the other 3, that's okay. But in the meantime, I'll just speed this part up and enjoy. Okay, everyone, so this is the end of part 1 for the 10 apples up on top. We're going to do the lion and we'll do the dog for part 3. So check Thursday and we will see you then.